Good day, viewers. Today we're going to explore the possibilities.
Wait, why are your pants around your ankles?
What?
Don't you have a belt?
Wear a belt? Good day, viewers. So I noticed that a lot of people don't wear their seatbelts. And when I ask them why, a pretty general response that I get is, it's too much of a hassle. Well, let's explore and see if that's actually a valid response. Let's get started. That means cut. We're actually going to time me and see how long it takes to put on a seatbelt. We got this handy dandy cell phone timer here, and Ben, our faithful cameraman, will be the timer. Whenever you're ready, Ben.
And go.
And our time is 3.46 seconds. Now that we know how long it takes to put a seatbelt on, what we're gonna do is go ahead and get started with our day. But the only trick is gonna be, I will only have 3.46 seconds to do everything in the daily routine. Let's see what happens.
Wake up, you got 3.46 seconds to get your clothes on. Time's up.
It's gonna be a long day.
Go. Time.
I think I just made it worse.
Go. Up. Go. Time.
Oh yeah. Breakfast of champions. That's raw.
Go. Time. What's that taste like?
Like, salmonella? Pretty much, yeah.
Obviously, we've proven that putting a seatbelt on isn't a hassle, especially compared to those everyday things that you and I do all the time. So, if you plan on going through that daily routine, you're planning to live. So always wear your seatbelt.